Hello and welcome to UltraCare PRO YouTube channel. Subscribe to this channel to learn more about UltraCare PRO products and its usage. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to use Pocket Tens 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO for shoulder as well as arm pain. Shoulder pain can happen due to multiple reasons. Frozen shoulder being one of the commonest cause of shoulder pain. Apart from that, bicipital tendinitis, impingement syndrome, arthritis of shoulder joint and subluxation of shoulder joint are some of the common reasons which could lead to experience of shoulder pain. Even if you have got neck related issues like cervical spondylitis or any kind of neck problem, the pain can radiate to shoulder. Mostly the shoulder pain also radiates to the arm region. Hence, in today's video, let's learn how Pocket Tens 1.0 device can help you to deal with your shoulder pain as well as arm pain. We will learn about the electrode placement at the same time setting up the modality. So make sure to watch this video till the end. First take UltraCare PRO Pocket Tens 1.0 unit. Then take 4 electrodes that comes with the device. Next you need to take connecting cables. Refer instruction manual to understand the complete usability of Tens 1.0 device by UltraCare PRO. Now connect the electrodes to Pocket Tens 1.0 device with the help of connecting cables. In order to take Tens 1.0 device, first place the red lead wire electrode of channel 1 on front side of the shoulder and the white lead wire electrode of channel 1 on the backward side of the shoulder. Then place red wire electrode of channel 2 on the arm. Below that, place the white lead wire electrode of channel 2. Then switch on the device. Select the treatment mode. Select the time and increase the intensity to your tolerance level. Once therapy is done, switch off the device and place it back for next use. So friends, this is how you can use UltraCare PRO Pocket Tens 1.0 device to deal with your shoulder as well as arm pain. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to share your feedbacks by commenting in the comment section below. If you have got any queries and if you want to learn more about UltraCare PRO products, make sure to visit to their website www.ultracarepro.in, and if you are liking this content, make sure to like this video as well. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.